Whether you're looking to just show off your latest piece, or you are a creator and you want to show it off in the best possible light, it's really hard to do that if your photos look like this. The wrong light, out of focus, bad composition, the wrong colours or background, or an awful edit will make and break every single one of these photos. However, it doesn't have to be this way. I'm Robin from Robin O'Brien Photography and Robin's Academy, and I'm here to help you learn to take photos that you're proud to share. First, pick the right photo. Every platform has a different version of a story that you'll need to tell to make sure you capture your audience.
Look, something shiny! Where? Oh,
It's your job to pick the right one, whether it be a white background to show off the simplicity, a lifestyle so they can see what it'll be like, or a flat lay to show the collection off. The choice is yours. Pick the right background. Pick the right props. Pick the right lighting. And then you'll end up with photos like these. So you can enjoy more family time.